Hello, lovely people of the internet. It is January 1st of 2024 and I am just home today relaxing. One of the things I've been wanting to do is declutter around my house, and another way to, I thought I could like gamify it and make it more fun is by throwing the D20 die, and however many the number tells me to, I will throw away, donate, or try and maybe resell those items from my house. And I can't commit to doing it every day, but I thought I could at least do it once a week. So since I have the day off today, let's get started. It is 9 items. Okay, and obviously if we do more then it's fine, but I think the first room I would like to get started is with my bathroom. It has been a little bit insane in there. Our bathroom is a little bit small because it doesn't have any extra like storage or shelving, so the cabinets are kind of full. So we'll go through them, organize it, and throw some stuff away. Just to show you guys what we're working with, here's our current bathroom. The drawers are kind of a lot. There's some in there. This one's a little bit more organized, but look at this and these. Oh my god. And these. So yeah, let's get started, I guess. Okay guys, halfway point. Mostly clean. Have like a pretty big bag of trash already. So some of them is like legitimately trash. There's like I'm not even sure if it's used. I think I bought it when I first started doing hair masks, which maybe I should keep it. And then there's like empty things. I'm throwing away all these products because I will not use them, and I'm pretty sure they are probably expired at this point, so they'll be going to trash. Here's like my Billy shaving things, like wall mounts, but I had extra. Couple more products that I've either never used or will never use. Here's like an eyeshadow I bought from Burlington for I guess $4. I've used it I think for like Halloween or something. I don't know. A random battery I found, which probably should go into recycling, but this is for I think like a Polaroid camera that I had. More random products that I will never use. Another one, and it's kind of sad, half-used nipple cover that I was trying to reuse it later. There's my tattoo ointment that I was putting on. Some hair clips that are like damaged, so I'll probably also never use it. There's like a small Ziploc full of like a tweezer, a little like cuticle remover and stuff like that. Again, we'll never use. So these are going to the trash so far. And then I've just been cleaning the countertop and everything, wet the mirror. Also, I'm watching She's the Man on my laptop in the bathroom. Sounds a little gross, but you know.